Bob, Chow, and May take part in a run for charity. Their times to complete the run are in the ratio Bob is to Chow is to May is equal to 4 is to 5 is to 7. Find Chow's time as a percentage of May's time. Okay, so let the times taken be 4x, 5x, and 7x. So therefore, required percentage will be equal to Chow's time. So Chow's time is 5x divided by May's time is 7x into 100%. This is equal to 500 by 7%, which is nothing but 71.428571 and so on. So if I cut it to two decimal places, it is 71.43%. Okay. So the second bit, Bob's time for the run is 55 minutes 40 seconds. Find May's time for the run. So if Bob's time is 4x, then May's time will be 7x, right? This is what we know. So that implies 4x is equal to 55 minutes and 40 seconds. And this we need to convert it into seconds. 55 into 60 plus 40, and this is equal to 3340 seconds. And so x would be equal to 3340 by 4, which is nothing but 835 seconds. So May's time is equal to 7x. So 835 into 7, which is nothing but 5845 seconds. And if I convert this into minutes, this will be 5845 divided by 60 minutes, and I will get this as 97.416 minutes, which is nothing but 97 minutes and 25 seconds. So the answer is 97 minutes and 25 seconds. This will complete the question. Okay, so that is part A. Let us go to part B. Chow collects $47.5 per charity. Bob collects 28% more than Chow. So find the amount that Bob collects. So the required amount is 1 plus 28 by 100 into 47.50. So this is 1.28 into 47.50. And if I calculate the value, this will turn out to be 60.80. So this is 60.80 in dollars. This is the amount that Bob collects. Straightforward question. Okay, now let us go to part B. In this part B, Chow collects 60% less than May. So if May collects X dollars, then Chow will collect 60% less. So X into 1 minus 60 by 100. Right? And this is the amount that Chow will collect. So which is nothing but this is equal to 0.4 into X, which is X into 40 by 100, 0.4X. So therefore, how much more money will May collect? So 0.4X is equal to $47.5 because it is given in the first case that Chow collects $47.5, and so since she already collects 40, we can use this amount. So X would be equal to 47.5 divided by 0.4, which is nothing but 118.75 in dollars. So therefore, find how much more money. So the difference in the money that is required is equal to the money that May collects minus the money that Chow collects, 47.50. And this value is given to be 71.25 in dollars. So this is the required amount, which is equal to 71.25. So the required answer is $71.25. Okay. Part C. When running, Chow has a stride length of 70 centimeters, correct to the nearest 5 centimeters. Chow runs a distance of 11.2 kilometers, correct to the nearest 0.1 kilometers. Work out the minimum number of strides that Chow could take to complete this distance. So, stride length, and here it is to the nearest 5 centimeters. So, 70 plus or minus 5 by 2 centimeters. So this is 67.5 centimeters to 72.5 centimeters. This is the stride length. And why am I doing 5 by 2? Because the boundary is 5 centimeters. You will add half of it and subtract half of it to get the bounds. Chow runs a distance. Distance run is equal to 11.2 plus or minus 0.05 kilometers. So to the nearest 0.1, it is 0.1 by 2, which is 0.05. So 11.2 plus or minus 0.05 is 11.15 kilometers to 11.25 kilometers. Okay. So therefore, what is the question now? Work out the minimum number of strides. Minimum number of strides is required when the distance run is minimum distance divided by the maximum stride length. This is the minimum number of strides that is required. And so let us calculate the value. So this is equal to 11.25 kilometers. Sorry, 11.15. This is the minimum value and this is the maximum, 72.5 centimeters. So I am converting kilometers into centimeters. 11.15 into 10 power 5 divided by 72.5, which is equal to 11,15000 divided by 72.5. And if I calculate this value, this will turn out to be 15,379.310 and so on. These are the number of strides that is required. That means he will take 15,379 full strides and then half of a stride. So therefore, the minimum number of strides required is 15,380. Okay. So 15,379 full strides and then a part of a stride. And so this is the final answer. So we need to add that part stride also to get the total number of strides. Okay, so let us go to question D. In 2015, a charity raised a total of 1.6 million. After 2015, this amount increased exponentially by 2.4% each year for the next 5 years. Work out the amount raised by the charity. So amount after k years, if it increases exponentially, is equal to the initial amount plus 1 a into 1 by r by 100 into k. Here a is equal to 1.6 million, r is equal to 2.4%, which is equal to 0.024, and k is equal to 5 years. So 2.4%, that's it. And so we need not take the divided 0.024 because we are already doing divided by 100 in the formula itself. So therefore, final amount required is equal to 1.6 into 1 plus 2.4 by 100 whole power 5. This is 1.6 into 2.4 divided by 100 is 0.024. So 1.024 whole power 5. If I calculate this value, this will turn out to be 1.80,14398 in million. So the answer would be, if I cut it to 4 significant figures, it would be 1.801 million, because 4 is less than 5. You can leave it like that. And this completes the question. Okay. So let us meet in another video. Until then, all the best. Thank you.